Hello everyone, welcome to the Codeness. In the previous video, we have successfully created the application layer. In the application layer, we have created the product query and command. Now in this video, I am going to show you how to set the connection string. So go to the application, product.api, then app settings, write the connection string. Now give the name of connection, default connection. You can give any name as per your choice. Now add the connection string. So whatever you have SQL server, I have this SQL server. So I can refresh, then property, and copy the connection string. Now the connection string is set, or if you remember your connection string, you can write. So once your connection string done, then I have to use this connection string. I have to change the database name. So my database name is product app. Now this product app database is not created. When we run the migration, the database is automatically created. So no need to create the product database. Now go to the program.cs file. Then we write the configuration where configuration is equals to builder.configuration. Now before moving further, I have to download the I have to download that some dependency. So go to NuGet package, browse, then I have to download entity framework core, entity framework, entity framework core installed. Sorry, we have to download the 9 version because our project in the 9. Apply, then go for the SQL. Similarly 9. Later on we can change the version. No issue on that. Now Now coming back to the program.cs file where connection string is equals to configure.get default connection. So I get the this connection from here. Now my connection is set. Now I have to connect the connection string with our DB contact services. So I have to write the command builder dot services at DB contact services. So just add the correct namespace product app DbContext and then use SQL Server Entity Framework Core. If not found, we can check the naming convention. Now, so here I have inject the services of DbContext services and passing the connection to the connection string. Now the connection is set. In the next video, I am going to show you how to write the migration query to create the table and into the database. So thank you for watching this video.